everybody, I'm Susan from LV & More, and I have a unboxing of a repair part that was on back order for my Felicie, and it came in today, so I thought I would share it with you. Let's get started. Subscribe and like, we appreciate that. Okay, let's get this bad boy open. This is from my essay in Vancouver, BC, Catherine. So, bubble paper. Okay, nothing else in there. Came in FedEx. Alright, here's my receipt. Okay, everybody knows what they look like, right? Okay. Oh, she never puts her card there. What does that tell you? Scary. Oh, she gave me a dust cover. Woohoo! Alright, let's see what the back order was here. Okay, that turned out really nice. That's gonna go in my... What the hell was that? It's gonna go in my Felicie, and it's a card holder, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 slots on both ends, and then it also has a little opening where you can put money, receipts, and on the back is just plain, it's all leather. So that turned out nice, and then she gave me a dust cover. And what else did she give me? Huh? She gave me some perfume samples. And she even gave me a little ribbon for the holiday ribbon. So that's pretty cool. So that was nice of her. Alright, that had some sort of tape on it. Alright. Alright, we'll have to open that later. I don't know how she configured it. I'll just cut it. I'll just cut it here. I don't really need that. But that's pretty cool. Okay, that's about the highlight today. I'll let you know how everything wears and tears on my repaired Felicie. And we'll go from there. Alright. If you have any questions or you have any thing that you want to comment on, please leave it below. And I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks again. Bye now.